If you watch an American documentary about money, they always talk about massive student loans, medical debts, or credit card traps. But here in Europe, the financial trap is different. It is rarely a single, massive purchase that ruins us. Instead, it is a quiet, invisible bleeding. It is the illusion of just a few euro. The small, digital decisions we make every day without even thinking. Look at Alex. He decided to be careful. He didn't buy expensive clothes, and he didn't upgrade his car. Yet, at the end of the month, his bank account was empty. When he sat down to look at his history, he didn't find big spending. He found small, automatic leaks. A fitness app he hasn't opened in 3 months. A streaming service he keeps for a show that ends last year. And random micro purchases made with a single click on his phone. Many financial gurus will tell you to cut your morning coffee, to stop going out with friends, and live a life of total misery for 10 years. But that is another trap. Extreme restrictions only brings you burnout. The answer is not the misery. The answer is the balance. In Greece, we have a beautiful phrase for this: Metron Ariston. It means moderation is the best. You don't need to cut the coffee or the food that brings you joy. You just need a plan. You need to stop the useless leaks, the subscriptions you don't use, the things you buy for habits, not from need. When you cancel an unusual expense, you lose nothing. You just stop funding someone else's dream. As you start canceling those useless services and habits, you will slowly see something beautiful. You can live just happily with less. You can enjoy your daily life fully, while building a better today and much brighter future for yourself. Personally, this is exactly what I do. Every single euro I save from those useless automatic leaks, I don't leave it in a bank account. I take those small amounts and I use them to build my own future. I put them directly into long-term ETFs like VUAA or DGRW. To do this simple, I use Freedom 24. Instead of letting my money lose value to inflation, I invest it. On the platform, you can buy safe, long-term ETFs with just a few clicks. This is how small, daily change turn into real financial peace. You don't change your lifestyle today. You protect your life for tomorrow. Financial freedom is not about living with less. It is about having control. Keep your joys, but fix your leaks. Find your balance. Metron Ariston. See you in the next video.